Presenting boAt Storm Call 3W by turn navigation. It is available in colors active black, black metal, cherry blossom, dark blue, olive green and silver metal. This smartwatch seamlessly connects and communicates with others using the latest Bluetooth technology. It offers screen size of 1.83-inch, 4.64 cm, HD display, perfect for clear viewing in any environment. This smartwatch is rated IP67 for dust, sweat, and splash resistance, ensuring durability in various environments. It ensures your safety with the emergency SOS feature, offering a quick and efficient way to seek assistance in times of need. It will navigate your way with ease using precise turn-by-turn directions. It offers 700 different modes tailored to your lifestyle and preferences, ensuring versatility and adaptability. The box contains Wave Sigma 3, charging cable, user manual and warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.